Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, boys. Today we are going to have a lesson on fluid.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, last day you taught us elasticity. I have a question on the topic.
Yes, Sridipta.
Ma'am, what is more elastic, water or air?
Very good question. Water and air both are fluid. Both can flow, but a gas is more compressible than a liquid. So you can deform a gas with a large amount than a liquid by applying equal external force. Now you tell me which one is more elastic?
I understood, ma'am. Water is more elastic because it can resist the deformation with a greater extent than that performed by air.
Okay. Now we shall discuss cohesive force and adhesive force. Cohesive force acts between the similar molecules in a matter, but adhesive force acts between the dissimilar molecules present in different matters. Cohesive force is stronger than adhesive force.
Ma'am.
Yes, Ranjal.
Yes, ma'am. It is written in the book that in solids the cohesive force is very strong. Why is that so?
The cohesive force depends on the space between molecules, which is called intermolecular space. More the space, less is the cohesive force. Now you see, the space is least in solid. Again, it is lesser in liquid than in a gas. Now you arrange the matters on the basis of strongness of cohesive force.
Ma'am, among solid, liquid, gas, it is strongest in solid. Then it is stronger in liquid than in gas.
Okay, now we shall discuss about thrust. When we walk on sand, we leave our footprints in the sand. This is due to the weight of our body, which acts normal to the surface of contact between the foot and the sand. Thus, the net force acting normal to a surface is called thrust. So, if a force acts at an angle to a surface, you can't call it thrust. You simply call it force. Now you tell me what type of quantity is thrust.
Ma'am.
Yes, Shayok.
Yes, ma'am. It's a vector quantity.
Now what about pressure? Pressure is the thrust acting on a unit area. That is, pressure is equals to thrust over area. Okay. Now how do you get thrust? Here thrust is equals to weight of the body. So if you find the ratio of the weight to the area of contact on which the thrust is acting normally, then you will find the pressure. Okay. Now tell me, which type of quantity is pressure?
Ma'am, pressure is a vector quantity.
No, Srinjan. Pressure is a scalar quantity. Think of an example. When a bomb blasts, it affects in all directions in air. A parameter affecting in all directions uniformly is considered as a scalar quantity. Okay, boys, we shall discuss more questions on this topic in the next class. You will also ask your doubts.
Thank you, ma'am.